Hi my friends, I don't know if you can see it in front of me, but there's a kangaroo there. I think it's a kangaroo, or could be a small wallaby, could be a big wallaby. I'm trying to, I'll see if I'll, I don't know if you can see it in the film, but enjoy for my friends who love kangaroos. I know that, oh, he's sitting up. He's a little bit interested. I'm hoping, oh, now he's taken off. No interest there at all. He's gone. He's gone. Oh, sorry about that. Anyway, I'm here to share. How you going, Athena? Welcome. Hey Jess, how you going, buddy? Jess, my bestie, how you going? One of my besties, and your daughter, Brittany. I want to share the view with you. It's high back at you, Athena. It's pretty fantastic up here. Love them kangaroos, yeah. I've got another video for you, Jess. I filmed on the way here, so I'll post it as soon as I can for you and your daughter. Hey, back at you, Jess. Thanks for the smiley face. I just want to share the view with you. I'm going to walk you around. This place is... Whoops. Oh, shit. Oh, sorry. This place is incredible. This place is fantastic. The view is... Heather, how you going? Welcome, Heather. I thought you were asleep. Thanks, Jess. I appreciate that I'm one of your besties. That's very sweet. Judith, hi. Hi, everybody. In fact, this is the... Thanks for joining, everyone. I wanted to share how beautiful this place is with you all. Welcome to my country. The beauty of it is just... There's the kangaroo over there, if you can see him. I don't know if you can or not. He's just watching. I can't zoom in, it won't let me. I'm going to come up here and time lapse tonight because this place is just fantastic. Brittany, hi, welcome, my other bestie. Hi y'all, Judith, hi back at you. Anyway, hello Brittany, how you doing, buddy? I've got some videos of kangaroos I'm going to post for you and your mum and Heather. This is the first chance I've had to, because this is the first chance I've had signal. But I'll do it very soon. That's Wilpena Pound. It's a massive crater inside. You're welcome, Judith. I'm glad you love it. I love sharing it with you all. Mum told me oh, okay, yep, I got you, Jess. Hi Renee, hello, welcome Renee. I'm in the Flinders Ranges, outback South Australia, and yeah, I wanted to share this incredible view with you all because it's just, it's got everything. Thanks for the love heart, I appreciate it. Oh, there's another kangaroo over there. Hi, back at you, Renee. Didn't see him there. They blend in with the earth so well. I didn't even see it. It was right in front of me. about nearly 2 o'clock in the afternoon here, and in a couple of hours I'm going to start filming the sun setting over the ranges, and hopefully pick up the colours of the earth and the mountains and everything. So fingers crossed, and then stars at night. Yeah, kangaroos. You saw. Oh, I'm glad you saw them, Renee. I wasn't sure if anyone did, but I've got some videos I'm going to post into the meditation group for you before I set up for time lapse. So enjoy. Okay, it's early in the morning for you, Brittany. You're a night owl. Cool. Thanks for all your sweet messages too, Brittany, by the way. My pleasure to film those kangaroos for you. No problem at all. I appreciate your messages. So yeah, it gives you I'm glad you like it, Renee. It is very nice, I agree with you. Thank you for... No problem at all, Heather. More than happy to share. I'm glad you enjoy seeing it through my eyes. Anytime. Melissa, hi, welcome. Melissa Fleming. Thanks for joining. As I've said to the other girls, no worries at all, Brittany. When I put them into the YouTube or wherever, the other video I got, I'll send it to you personally. Do you prefer it? Hey, Melissa. Hey, back at you. Thanks for the love heart. Just let me know, Brittany. Do you prefer it on your timeline or through the meditation group? You tell me, and I'll do it. Since you're new today, Heather, sorry, Melissa, I'll take you back over where I took the rest of the group so you get to see it. This is called the Flinders Ranges, and it's going to be a bit of an icy night tonight, but a lot of stars, so we'll see how the time lapse goes. Now I'll talk you through it again. Everyone else has heard it, but you just joined us. So Melissa, that's called the Wilpena Pound. It's, as you can see, pretty beautiful. There's a kangaroo over here too. I'll hope you can see him in front of me. He's just sitting there watching. So yoga at 5 AM. Wow. That's early. You're dedicated, Melissa. I hope you can all see that kangaroo down there. I'll get a bit closer if I can, but he'll probably hop off though. There you go. I'll stay here because he'll hop off if I go closer. But anyway, hey Woz, how you going, buddy? Wave back. How you going, Woz? Thanks for joining, mate. Okay, no worries either way. No problem, Brittany, I'll take care of it. I got much closer to the kangaroos today, so got some better vision than what I had yesterday. There we go, ease off, ease off. Hang on, I'll see if I can get closer for you girls who live in America. I don't know how close I can get. Snow up in the mountains here. Wow. You're in the... Wow, that's cold, was it? That's cold, mate. You're getting snow. There you go, girls. There's the kangaroo for you. Enjoy the pound. I'll just since I'm going to finish filming in a second, I'll see how close I can get this kangaroo, just to show you girls who love them. They're a bit timid around here, so there you go. He's looking right at you now. There it goes. Yeah, he doesn't want to be any closer here, so I'll stop here. No worries, Woz. Have a good night. Have a good time at work, mate. Thanks for joining, buddy. Alrighty. I'll do one more pan around for you, because I know it's very early for you girls in America. In the morning it is, so I'll let you get to sleep after this. Excuse me. Okay, here's the yeah, Wow's right, Renee. It's pretty beautiful up here. I'm camping here tonight. Funny. I'll try and get a pet kangaroo, Brittany. Yeah, you're right, Melissa. It was shy. I knew once he looked at me, that was his way of saying that's close enough. That's funny, Brittany. I travel a bit too much to have a pet, but you know, just for you, maybe I can rent one for a short time. Come down here and I'll stay home for a week or two, and then maybe we can rent a kangaroo for you to play with. Anyway, enjoy the okay, just for you, Brittany, I'll rent a Skippy. I'm sure I'll be able to find one quite easily. I can't keep it though, because it's not fair on the roo. I'm not home very long. But excuse me, we'll call the kangaroo Brittany, just for you. Brittany Bestie, maybe. No worries. Okay, give me some warning and I'll go out and find one. Okay, girls, I don't know if you've had enough of this video or not, but yeah, I'll one more pan around, then I'll sign off. Otherwise I can't upload it onto Instagram if it's longer than 10 minutes. Yeah, I thought you might like that, Brittany. We'll call the kangaroo Brittany, and we'll spell it the same way as your name is spelled. And yeah, I'm sure you two will be happy together for a couple of weeks before you have to go back home. There you go. Enjoy. What I'll do is I'll do another video near sunset. I'm going to go and look for a spot to set the camera up. So I'll finish the video for now. Thanks for joining me, everyone. But yeah, I want to get everything. Yeah, it is beautiful, Melissa. I'll show you that more. There you go. Over the valley. No worries. You're welcome, Renee. Good night. And like I said, when the sun's setting, I'll do another video for you all to enjoy the sunset over the valley. Take care. Thanks for joining me, everyone. I really appreciate it. You're welcome. No worries, Brittany. Take it easy. Bye for now.